Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to General Management so you don't waste time hunting menus. Once there, tap Samsung Keyboard Settings to access keyboard-specific options. You're looking for key tap feedback or vibration on key press. This is the control that makes the phone buzz when you type. Tap that option to reveal the toggle. Turn the vibration toggle off. Once done, test typing in any app to confirm the vibration is gone immediately. If you prefer a faster route, open an app, bring up the Samsung keyboard, and tap the gear icon or three-dot menu on the keyboard itself. This opens the keyboard settings without leaving your current app. Then choose Smart Typing, find key tap feedback, and switch off vibration for key presses. This path is useful because it shows the exact toggle as it applies to that keyboard layout. Make sure to try different languages or layouts if you use multiple keyboards to disable all vibrations. Finish by testing typing across apps to confirm the vibration is disabled system-wide. If vibrations persist, restart the keyboard by force-stopping the Samsung Keyboard app or reboot the phone to apply changes. Next, clear the keyboard cache in apps right arrow Samsung Keyboard or check for updates in Galaxy Store. If it still buzzes, inspect accessibility or sound and vibration system settings in case another setting overrides the keyboard option. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.